Okay, so TikTok made me buy this. Apparently it turns anything into a slushy. I have to go get my kid from school and it's like 33 degrees outside today. So let's turn a Gatorade into a slushy. I just got it this morning, so I haven't used it. It says you put it in the freezer for a few hours. And then this is what it looks like. And then you're supposed to squeeze it and it's supposed to like turn it into a slushy. I don't know. I don't know if that's working. Maybe if I put the lid on so I don't like I can squeeze more aggressively and not splash. Man, I hope this doesn't lie to me. I mean, it's just off Amazon, so if it lied to me, it's going back. What's your latest TikTok made me buy it thing? Okay. I don't know, is magic happening? I can't really tell. Maybe open the lid. Oh, it's turning. It's working. It's working. Okay, squeeze a little bit more. I really gotta go in like 1 minute. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Okay, look. It's turning into slushy. So I think if I kept doing it, it'd probably turn it into more of a slushy. Like, that's pretty cool. What I'd wanna do when I get home is try to make like a slushy iced coffee. Hello, that might be my new go-to if that works, but I feel like I should probably let the coffee cool down first, and I just don't have time for that right now. And I made like a mess on my counter, but I gotta go to school pick up. Okay, bye, go buy one of these.